Well, you've probably seen a movie where a leader declares martial law, sending in the military to take over a town during some crisis.
But can the governor or government really do that? Ted Haller answers in this week's Is It Legal?
Yes, the governor has the power to declare martial law. No, they can't do it whenever they want. Now, interestingly, the words martial law, they don't appear in the Minnesota Constitution. Instead, here's what the state constitution says. The governor shall be commander-in-chief of the military and naval forces and may call out such forces to execute the laws, to suppress insurrection, and to repel invasion. You're probably wondering, has that ever happened in Minnesota? Yes, and more than once. But the most important declaration was back in 1959 in Albert Lea, outside a strike at a meatpacking plant where there was some mob rule. And this is a newspaper photo of the National Guard at that plant after Governor Freeman declared martial law, calling it a state of insurrection. But a panel of federal judges said not so fast, essentially ruling that the situation in Albert Lea wasn't bad enough for martial law, explaining that in martial law there's no freedom of press, no freedom of speech, no freedom of assembly, no freedom from unreasonable searches and seizures. The courts are closed. A warning of the power of martial law and why it should be used so very, very carefully. With Is It Legal? I'm Ted Haller.
If you have any questions or ideas for an Is It Legal segment, you can tweet at Ted. He's at Ted Haller Legal.